All right, now that we have all the tabs loaded into our program and it's up and running correctly, we are ready to upload this online so that anyone can access it. The place we're going to go to is called streamlit.io. You'll have to create an account so that you can have a place to upload your program. Now our program is all uploaded into GitHub. So we can create a new app from our GitHub repo, and this is the one we've been working on, Python Stat Tools 2024. And our main app that runs is app.py. And you can create the name for the app that you want. I think I'm going to make it the exact same as this. Python Stat Tools can only use lowercase letters. Can't use underscores. Oh, we can use dashes though. Dash. 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 Nobody is using this name, so it's ready to roll, and we hit deploy. And this takes some time as it creates the application. And while it's doing this, I just want to talk about this requirements file that we made at the very beginning that lists all of the libraries that we would be using in the program. Streamlit looks at that library and loads in those packages. So if we get to a point where we try and run this, but it won't run, it'll probably give me an error down here and tell me which library is missing or something like that. So you can click this open and it starts cranking through all the stuff. See, it's loading up all of the libraries and all of the things that are required with those libraries. So it's going through the process of cranking up all of those. So this takes some time. And here's the pip warning that I'm using a newer version of pip. Okay, looks like it worked out okay. So there's the address of the program. You can type that in and run the program. Anybody can now that it's up and running. Anybody can type in this address and run the entire program. They'll have to come up with their own Google sheet and put the address in here, but everything else is up and running. If I go back to Streamlit, so there's my stat tools, brand new, ready to roll. And that's how we put it so that anybody can have it. Okay, that's it for this set of Python stat tools. Hope you enjoyed it.